Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Speak Anglo. I'm Kendall.
Hi, Kendall. Hi, everyone. I'm Riley. I'm so happy to be here today.
It's great to have you back, Riley. You look so relaxed and cheerful.
Thank you. I've had a lovely week. Hey, Kendall, what are we going to talk about today?
Great question. Today, we're going to talk about something everyone loves, vacations. We'll share stories from our past trips and also talk about our dream vacations.
Oh, that sounds amazing. I love hearing about other people's trips. It's such a fun way to practice English, too. Talking about exciting experiences, adventures, and all the things we did.
Exactly. Sharing our trips helps us learn new words and phrases naturally, while also hearing about fun memories. Before we dive in, a quick request. If you enjoy this episode, please click the like button.
And don't forget to subscribe to Speak Anglo so you don't miss any new episodes.
Yes, and if you know a friend who is learning English, share this podcast with them. Your support really helps our channel grow.
Before we go on our trips, I always wonder, how do you choose where to go, Kendall?
I usually think about what excites me most: beaches, mountains, or a little adventure.
I do that too, and then I make a checklist. Sunscreen, comfy shoes, camera. I even sometimes pack twice just in case.
Smart. I also plan sights to see and fun activities so I don't miss the highlights.
And I always check the weather. Nothing worse than getting caught in a surprise rainstorm.
Exactly. A little planning makes the trip smoother and more relaxing.
Sometimes I even try learning a few local phrases before I go.
That's a great idea. One time, I tried practicing greetings for a week and still mispronounced them on day one.
Classic, but it's fun to try.
Totally, and it makes connecting with locals so much better.
I'm already getting excited just talking about planning.
Perfect. And speaking of excitement, let's dive into our recent vacation trip stories. Riley, I heard you went on a beach vacation recently.
Yes, I went to Hawaii.
Hawaii, amazing. I've always wanted to go there. Tell me all about it.
It was incredible. I woke up around 9 a.m., had a slow breakfast with coffee and tropical fruit. Then I walked along the beach listening to the waves. The sand was soft and warm under my feet. I saw tiny crabs running around so fast.
That sounds so relaxing. Was the water warm?
Yes, the ocean was perfect. I even tried surfing for the first time. At first, I fell off the board so many times. It was funny and frustrating. Some locals even cheered for me when I finally stood up.
I can imagine. How did you finally get the hang of it?
After a few tries, I rode a small wave. The feeling of standing on the board, moving with the ocean, amazing. I felt like I was flying for a few seconds.
Wow, surfing in Hawaii sounds like a dream. Did anything else exciting happen?
Yes, we went snorkeling near a coral reef. I saw colorful fish and a small sea turtle. The water was so clear, I could see everything perfectly. We also swam over tiny sea urchins, carefully avoiding them. And the local markets were amazing. Smells, colors, music, so lively.
A sea turtle? That's incredible. Did you get to touch it?
No, we kept our distance. But it swam right past me, so close. One day, we hiked a small volcano. The view from the top was breathtaking. I could see the ocean, mountains, and even small waterfalls in the valleys. There were birds flying all around, so peaceful.
That must have been amazing. How long were you there?
1 week, enough time to relax and try all these activities. Every evening we had fresh seafood dinners and walked along the sand to watch the sunset. One night, a small crab ran across my plate. I laughed so much.
Oh no, that's a classic vacation memory.
Exactly. Those little moments made the trip special. Even picking up seashells and seeing tiny tide pools was fun. And every sunrise felt like a new adventure. I also met some locals who gave tips about hidden beaches. One woman even invited us to try homemade coconut candy. Delicious.
I love that. Those small interactions make memories last.
Yes, honestly, I feel so rested and happy thinking about Hawaii.
Adventure, relaxation, fun, sounds perfect.
You should go. Hawaii is magical.
I know. I'll have to start planning my trip soon. And Riley, you know I also visited a beach recently, right?
Yes, you went to Bali, didn't you?
Exactly. I went to Bali.
Bali, that's amazing. What did you do there?
It was such a lively trip. I met a lot of new friends at the beach, explored local beach clubs, and rode scooters around the island. The energy there is incredible. Music everywhere, people dancing, and everyone's so friendly.
Scooters? That sounds exciting. Were you nervous riding around?
A little. Traffic is different from home, but once you get the hang of it, it's a lot of fun. I felt like I was really part of the island.
And your hotel?
Oh, I stayed in a lovely hotel right by the ocean. Every morning I could hear the waves and smell the salty sea air. It was so refreshing.
That sounds perfect. Did you try any local food?
Yes, I tried nasi goreng, which is fried rice, and satay, grilled meat skewers with peanut sauce. Everything tasted amazing. And one evening I tried a spicy local soup. It was hotter than I expected.
Oh no, did you survive it?
Barely, but it was so good I couldn't stop eating. And I even learned a few Indonesian words, like hello for hello and terima kasih for thank you.
That's perfect. Can you teach me how to say hello properly?
Sure. Hello. Just like that. Easy, right?
Hello. Did the locals smile when you said that?
Yes, they were very friendly, and a few even laughed with me. It felt nice to connect, even with a few words.
That's wonderful. How long were you in Bali?
8 days, enough time to enjoy the beaches, meet new friends, and really soak in the culture.
Wow. What were your evenings like?
The evenings were perfect for long beach walks, listening to music from nearby cafes, and watching the sunset. One night, we even joined a small beach party, dancing around a bonfire under the stars. It was magical.
That sounds amazing. Did anything funny or unexpected happen?
Yes, one afternoon, I tried to order an ice-cold coconut from a street vendor, but I ended up spilling most of it on my shirt. Everyone laughed, and I just laughed with them. Those little moments made the trip even more memorable.
That's perfect. It really sounds like Bali was full of fun, adventure, and new experiences.
It really was. I loved every moment. The beaches, the scooters, the food, the people. I can't wait to go back someday.
I can see why. Bali sounds like the perfect mix of excitement and relaxation.
Oh, and I almost forgot. I met a really cool guy from Indonesia. His name is Artie.
Artie, that's awesome.
Yes, he was so friendly and welcoming. The first day, he took me to a local coffee shop and taught me how to make traditional Balinese coffee.
Wow, that sounds fun.
Then he showed me a hidden waterfall that most tourists don't know about. We went swimming in the natural pool there. The water was so refreshing.
A hidden waterfall? That's amazing.
After that, we had a picnic by the waterfall. Tropical fruits, local snacks, and just laughed so much. I even tried climbing a small rock next to the waterfall and slipped.
Oh no, that must have been hilarious.
It really was. And later, he took me to a night market in Ubud. We tried different street foods, from satay to sweet coconut pancakes. Every bite was delicious.
Yum! I love local food experiences like that.
And the best part? He even taught me some local Balinese words and phrases. We practiced together, laughed at my pronunciation mistakes, and took so many photos.
Aw, that sounds like such a memorable experience.
Honestly, I don't think my Bali trip would have been half as amazing without Artie. Special shout out to my guy. He made the whole trip unforgettable.
Aw, that's so sweet. It's always great to have a friend like that when traveling. Kendall, I forgot to ask, how was the flight to Bali?
Oh wow, it was long, about 18 hours. I tried to sleep, read a book, watch a few movies, and maybe daydream a little about the beaches waiting for me.
I totally understand. My flight to Hawaii had a 2-hour delay, and I even got lost in the airport trying to find my gate. Almost missed my connecting flight.
Travel adventures before the vacation even starts. Classic.
And the snacks on flights. They're always so tiny. I ended up buying some local treats in the airport to survive until we landed.
Yes, snacks are lifesavers. And sometimes the best part of the flight is sitting next to someone interesting, maybe a local who gives you tips for your trip.
Absolutely. And honestly, even the long flights become part of the adventure. You just know something amazing is waiting when you land.
Exactly. And speaking of amazing, let's talk about our dream vacations.
Yes, one of my dream trips is to the Swiss Alps.
The Swiss Alps. That sounds incredible. What would you do there?
Well, first, I'd stay in a cozy wooden cabin with a big fireplace.
Oh, I love that. It sounds so warm and inviting.
Yes, during the day, I'd go hiking in the mountains. The trails look amazing, and I'd love to see some wildlife, maybe deer or mountain goats.
That would be incredible. The fresh mountain air must feel so good.
Exactly, and I'd take lots of photos of the scenery, the snow-covered peaks, the forests, and the valleys.
I can picture it now. So peaceful.
And at night, after a long day, I'd sit by the fireplace with hot chocolate and play card games with friends, just relaxing and enjoying the cozy cabin vibe.
Perfect. A mix of adventure and relaxation.
During the day, I'd also love to explore glaciers, maybe go skiing or snowboarding, and I think trying sledding down a snowy hill would be hilarious.
That sounds like so much fun.
Yes, and I'd like to take a cable car up to see the highest peaks and maybe do some ice climbing if I feel brave enough.
Wow, you really planned a full adventure.
And I'd also love to visit a small alpine village nearby, try Swiss chocolate, cheese fondue, and maybe learn a few words in German or French, depending on the region.
That's the perfect mix. Activity, culture, and delicious food.
Exactly. And just imagining the snowy landscapes, the cozy cabin, and the fun activities makes me so excited. It's definitely one of my top dream vacations.
Wait a minute. I'm coming with you, Riley. You can't go without me.
Okay, you're invited. We'll make it the best trip ever.
Perfect. And speaking of dream vacations, there's a place I've always wanted to visit called Lençóis Maranhenses.
What? Lençóis Maranhenses? That sounds amazing, but where is it?
It's in Brazil.
Brazil. Oh, I've never heard of it. What's it like?
It's really unique. Imagine a desert with giant, soft, white sand dunes.
Wow, that sounds beautiful already.
But here's the twist. Between the dunes, freshwater lagoons form after the rainy season.
Lagoons? Like natural pools?
Exactly. You walk across endless white sand, and suddenly bright blue lagoons appear.
That's incredible. Swimming there must be amazing.
It really is, and the contrast of white sand and blue water, it's magical.
I can imagine. So, what would you do if you went there?
Oh, so many things. I'd start early, hike across the dunes to watch the sunrise.
I love watching the sunrise. That sounds perfect.
Then I'd swim in the lagoons and take lots of photos, maybe even try sandboarding down some of the bigger dunes.
Sandboarding? That's exciting.
Yes, and I'd also explore the small local villages nearby.
Do they have good food there?
Absolutely. Traditional dishes, fresh seafood, tropical fruits like mango and passion fruit.
Yum. And would you try speaking Portuguese?
Yes, a few words like hola for hello.
Hola. Did I say that right?
Perfect. And obrigado means thank you if you're a man, obrigada if you're a woman.
Obrigada. I love it.
You're ready to greet the locals.
I'd love to go with you.
You have to come with me, Riley. I can't go without a travel buddy.
Perfect. I'm in. Let's plan it someday.
It's one of those places that's both adventurous and relaxing. Truly a dream vacation.
Wow, Riley, hearing about all those amazing places, Hawaii, Bali, the Swiss Alps, and Lençóis Maranhenses makes me want to pack my bags right now.
You know, every trip teaches me something new.
Absolutely. Traveling opens your mind.
It also helps you connect with people.
And even small moments can be unforgettable.
Like laughing at mistakes or trying new foods.
Exactly. Even a short trip can give lasting memories.
I know. Just thinking about beaches and mountains makes me excited.
Absolutely. We can also practice English while sharing our stories.
Yes, now it's your turn. Think about your last vacation.
Or your dream vacation. Where would you go? What would you do?
Share your answers in the comments. We'd love to read your stories.
See the amazing places you've explored or dream of visiting.
And don't forget to like this episode and subscribe to Speak Anglo.
Yes, share it with a friend who's learning English.
Thanks so much for listening. We had a lot of fun today.
Happy travels, happy adventures, and happy English learning.
See you next time. Start planning your next trip, even if it's imaginary.
Every vacation, big or small, is a chance to make memories.